Have you ever wondered why your phone seems to know you better than your best friend? Or how the websites you visit know exactly what you're interested in?
The answer lies in datafication. Datafication is the process of collecting and analyzing data to make decisions and gain insights. It's the reason why social media apps like Facebook and Instagram know what you like and show you more of it. It's why Google can predict what you're searching for before you even finish typing. The rise of datafication has been fueled by the increasing amount of data generated by our digital activities. Every time we use our phones, computers, or any other digital device, we leave behind a trail of data that can be analyzed to reveal patterns and trends. But datafication isn't just about personalization and convenience. It's also transforming industries and creating new opportunities. In manufacturing, datafication is being used to optimize production processes and improve efficiency. In healthcare, it's helping to develop new treatments and improve patient outcomes. And in finance, it's being used to identify and mitigate risks. But datafication also raises important questions about privacy, ethics, and the role of technology in our lives. Who owns the data we generate? How is it being used? And who's benefiting from it? As datafication continues to shape our world, it's important to be aware of its impact and to engage in meaningful conversations about its implications. Because ultimately, datafication is not just about data, it's about people, and the ways in which technology is changing our lives.
So the next time you pick up your phone or use any other digital device, remember that you're generating data, and that data is being used to shape the world around us.